India ngate koyekta engko ajaga participate khaika tabo जों आगेनि सिमिनो जों एगिस पलिसि नते जों अनेक मेमोरेन्डम बरलायो दिल्ली रकम मीटिंग खाबाबनो खूब जों आर्ग्यू खायो हेलो इवन यूरोपियन पार्लियामेंट थामब्रबा जों कौनो मासाव तब एगिस पलिसि तामाव जों जतन साइमान पार्टिकुलारली पूरा एशियन कंट्री नो कनेक्ट खायना दिनी नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि सेंटर नका जों हनो गुवाहाटी Assam से center होनो जों whereas today no longer Guwahati has become the center of the northeast some center it is a Tripura is a center tamun bagai the corridor of opening the gates to the pura ASEAN country is chini Tripura se bahake through Bangladesh thing tan bagai nini Chittagong potong ma through tu tabuk ayang tui ka jaga tam tong free trade agreement kita mau every
mute ang adaran ni
tabo an engko mute khai rasa
ara sinda kana
oh hangka kai abo tamo nai di Bangladesh through tu joto kuchu hamna chin Tripura habuse nini Mizoram Manipur pura tike thangai nini Thailand Myanmar te thang Thailand ako joto Malaysia connection tabu जों साव एनआरसी नि कक जों फाइट खायो सीएनटी जों कक साव अब त ताबु से फायो आबन से सकां ओ एगिस पॉलिसी न तय कतो आं माने जत मीटिंग साव people doesn't give any important at all abo tabu tamo even 10 point important liya abono kenu 2010 jepro chief secretary principal secretary ngai tabu chini borom ganang revenue minister he himself was participant ngate alaka different country ni minister of foreign minister tai commerce minister of tong sengaro kok salai pru অনেক কিছু বড় কক সাও ইভেন চিনি টিসেস অফিসার উল্টা সাবনো very good excellent we are ready to give our land tuni সাও তামন বাগৈ বড় কিসপানো সিয়া তাবো তাম নাই নাই মাল্টি ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কোম্পানি অ কর্পোরেট অফ ফাইকেন কাকাই দে আর মাল্টি মিলিয়নারি বড় তাম খাইনে bon investment or of fine tau for example simple example angruana so muya chini Tripura so muya saitongo se tabuk to 200 kisa muya khugja kai hangka kai 180 aba her kg saitong tomorrow China ne muya phainai and that will cost at the rate of 10 rupees Tripura no borok bo muya no chana sala definitely जों आज cheap no जों paisa nai that means indirectly or directly nini local vegetable vendor no economically borono tola khai noro borono pura tola khai khibiris nga tumur bor bin muya hal paine pone bini usko kore opportunity tongla tamne bage people are not buying of that costly bamboo shoot, but they will buy the bamboo shoot of the 10 rupees fast. Even 10 nora borok millionaire fan tong tu, but they are very small microscopic manen ko borok industry really sung nai. Kendo tamung nai borok point ora sustain khai mangla. Apru charon wanjani journalist intellectuals law ano question sungu khorsa tongo professor Samiran unko hunai bo khub boy article unko siyo plus bo international analysis unko rakhayo he is very famous guy bo jokhon anga question sakaino bo actually bo ajagan question ma sangka uloka Bangladesh commerce Minister plus China ni borok sungo. We heard that once upon a time Tripura was produced one of the best cotton in the world. After ke was hanan even chief secretary bokuno fan saime are cotton in Tripura ni sungo. After kai ang base masaka. Yes, cotton in Tripura. Why? Cotton was produced largely in Tripura once upon a time, and that is one of the best in the world. And not only cotton, a cotton jago tabo silk ni sing kaya ta tosor cool sung kai khan ka hugo sung cool kayo. Our people have never cultivated in wetland. Sini sudu zoom cultivation se sung kayo. Ao jarawo sung kuno cotton kuno rizai chungnani kobong sunani je kuno phana sung cotton sung phatan paya. Sini cotton from birth, marriage to till death, customarily, traditionally, abo sung sinabo nangi pay. Therefore, sung abono produce kayo. Kentu sin abono naharoi. Oro tamangka je phatan final sungno abono bono khlai rekha. Tamno bag bono khai. Many of the scientists or many of the scholars or many of the science students, borok sawa zoom cultivation is bad habit and it destroy environment. Angapur sawo zoom cultivations who kaimani it is not unscientific. It is one of the scientific way to manage our livelihood, our sustainability of livelihood, and at the same time, the best management of protecting the forest. How it is angsaka in one plot of land, we cultivate more than 50 crops, and we at a time, and we harvest them in different time. So who kaipuru kaisa jagauna so more than 50 crops kayu kendo bono kholpuru hongkakai different jorawo abono kholu. So chini life sustainability ungi thango. E a jagao tamo khai unko khul kayu aron hoite tula mano so sufficient. Abon bagano boror agin unkoro British of saimamle chini khulo busi important. Nangkabono saka African government of Tripura sa saiman. Are abo it was there once upon a time, but it is not now promoted. Ang saka why it is not promoted? Because in indigenous borok abo through to sung economically was sung saunung mano. Kani sung abo ka saka ka borok nagzaka ka borok sangka. Is it possible for the Tripura government to promote again this cultivation? Borok sawo maybe Kento in 2007 ni je 2006 je ko Forest Right Act. Abo killers sawo je state have to promote the shifting cultivations. Kento boro abno promote khaya. Even chini younger generation ro learned dog borok sawo shifting cultivation is bad. Abo ake sawo. Angko borok sawo asa bufang koto tani khibe jaga ko jago. Ang saka 100 years, 200 years bufang tapon mani tongo. Is it the forest department has planted a tree? Abasa. Kind of forest act buffer fiber 1927, where it is not supposed to be applicable in Tripura. Tripura was a bo applicable in Kogya. Bo it is a colonized Nibagasi. So Tripura was never colonized. Angaba hake unko argument khai thangka. Anga changtine khaiman amo if government really wants. Anga abono naioi botam khai o jeta imported crop hybrid rono borotri khana ne. It is totally rubbish and it doesn't suit to our environment and to our land and our temperature. Tabu sudah abo simia, ang just example roman. Tini train wo finai national international ning ko bus abo bo cholina konai. Where is the mechanisms of checking the illegal people coming without the visa? Kuna mechanism to tong India ni abo kari. If at all it is there, please show us and please put into the public domain so that where every citizen can see. Abono relate kaina NRC ne kok sapuru ang masaw. Nang NRC no implement kaina hunibo sawo. But whereas at the same time nang CA ano bono or enforce kai implement kayo. How that is possible? Where is the mechanism where you are not talking about your integrity and security of the nations? Today, tomorrow you said Hindu can come, Jain can come, Christian can come, Buddhist can come, Pharisee can come. What is the guarantee that you are identifying them that they are of that people? Tini Muslim bo Jain hini paimano. Tini zaman RSS bo Christian ngi tongmano. Hindu ngi tongmano. Bo Buddhist ngi tongmano. And tamo security tong jeta boro ba ke ngmaya tong nani boro mongi phage kai ni check and balance khaina ni kun mechanism to obnang omit chana bo sunga ken kurun nga ni no borong no nung security rimaya ni no borong no again defense rimaya protection rimaya and you are planning to protect the outsider illegal who comes today and tomorrow tamo abo bo phunna. And aborong or egg is policy is the entry to this CA bill. Abo borok analyst kaya. Ang borok sungay abon tamo link tong tamo relation tong. By today, nation Hinduism kaya bagay bon target. Kento at the abong just namesake, but to enter to enter not notice खाई अब आके फ्री ट्रेडमेंट एग्रीमेंट तुमने बोन कैसा पॉलिसी तामुना सदी नॉर्थ ईस्ट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रिसोर्स फूड इन द कंट्री विदाउट नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया कैनॉट सर्वाइव न इंडिया तामसा यूरोपियन पार्लियामेंट 2010 बर एग्रीमेंट साइन खेपुरु नॉर्थ ईस्ट बुम के कस करी अथस यूरेनियम माइनिंग निनि गैस निनि ग्राफाइट उनका उ जताबो तामसो कुमन दिनेश नॉर्थ साइमानाय Oh, plane selama na mana tam sehkumu.
Which one? Paper plate making machine then?
Of mane plane selama ni body. Bina tamo.
Aeronauts ne ho ko.
Pura body.
Stainless steel type.
Helaka selama ni. Abu bo jagaman saiman. Manipur ni ukhul area omana amo. Whole entire mountain. Wajika. Angka entire natural resources, gas, uranium, angka kain ni no joto oil, abro joto notice man. Angka tabur tam khai in order to enter in a notice. Tabur om the Nagaland no Article 371. Avatam saba. Below the earth, above the earth, the owner is the Naga government borose. So even by virtue in the government unar he cannot extract oil from the Nagaland because he is not the owner. Abon tam khai abon extract khainan bagai abon bagai EIA environment impact assessment huni payu. You tell me today, is there any politicians or is there any intellectual or is there any organization who started talking about EIA? Recently EIA payu. EIA tamo ang actually just brainstorming bagai ang jotono kisa unko khai task khayan do. EIA tamo boss hawo environment impact assessment ताबुने आइनो हमका तमो निनि जेकुनो तिप्रासन एरिया के जेकुनो एरिया वो डेवलपमेंट खाने थांगा प्रोजेक्ट खाने थांगा काय आ जागा वो निनि पब्लिक हियरिंग मा खाइनाय हमका एनवायरनमेंट इम्पैक्ट असेसमेंट मा खाइनाय पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल मा खाइनाय जतो कुछ मा खाइनाय हमका आबो बाहेके थ्रू द फ्री प्रायर इन्फॉर्म कंसर्न आगे इनका वर्ल्ड बैंक नेता तमने free prayer informed consent in World Bank pura United Nations bo abone adopt khaiman kintu honest jago indigenous people borok abone obstacle khaike objection rakha africa bortam khaike they were bound and compelled by the United Nations to sign on the free prior informed consent nang kamo tomo nini je kono area of project haina paike nangaro political nangko pressure hui kiba secret korwe administrative secret hui legally secret nang abna khaime you have to have a free prior informed consent kento tini tirpa tamangka won jisir asu mining khaitongo kemono sungya anga tiprasa tamasa borsa o sorka khayo boron khlai thangmano Gabordi area was simi more than 8 station tongo bora gas extra khai tlang tong tum kento hkai tini pipe tlang thang tongo tini bupal ne ahi incident judin ngi thang kai tini pura Gabordi area pura tiprasa ro 3 pipe ne aboni major safety major to tong abo kri aboni kem kok sai tini sabrumo half hati woi gas onkro horum tamne bage when she is using 3D mining or 3D mining খাইকে তামো একদম বিসঙ্গ থাকাঙ্কায় around 200 to 250 বিসঙ্গ থাঙ্গৈ বরক around 3 to 4 kilometer length and breadth বর আমার বিসঙ্গ হলো খাই পাইও কিন্তু আমনি পাইয়ে বন খলবনানি বনঙ্গ খাইনানি ইন ওয়েনি সিনি কোন মেশিন করে কোন সেফটি ইনকো করে বন খাইনানি আবন বাগিনা অবাহাইগো
Amun
Enggak
bagai
tamu
earthquake
kai.
rok kind of lasa.
Ha?
Earthquake rok mani rok am tu rok ni bagai nong lasa mainly.
Exactly. Abang nota. Enggak tini tamu ka tiri prawo, sehingga abang kia kok saya. Enggak iya tam kai kia. Notice tamu nango free engko mana public hearing mak kai nai. Engko ni social impact assessment mak kai nai. Environment impact assessment mak kai nai. Pollution control abang jotor mana nai. Plus indigenous nong ni concern mana nai. Enggak bor tam kai kia iya saka. Odrabo. Sengtai sin forest is the owner, sub-owner, Union Government of India. Chini Tripura habo 60% of total forest land tong. We are not the owner, not even the state. The owner is the central government. Ngatam sabro tabo seng owner tutu se seng free play inform consent nango, public hearing nango, social impact assessment nango, environment impact assessment nango, biodiversity impact assessment. Abang sengtai kaya nanglia, we can better deal than the state. So central government se pura nai sene ni sao. Angkar tam sa bor nai kyan kai public hearing, social impact assessment, nini environment impact assessment biodiversity abatai nanglia. Nanglia kai tam nai, they have freedom to do. Angkar where is our community right? Where is our inherent community right on forest? Abar kamai thangmane. Enggak bui sao tabo sini katal ukilog sanai kiba kesam ukilog sanai are abo to sini ya bon ya gos are sini customer to codified sija kerin sao who said angamo ma challenge kai even today law has to respect even if your customary law is not codified nini customary law sija ya pano bo abno respect ma khai engka abro no tabo khaije gya abo no tuyui Tini kebama multi-international company Tripura Habza and no one knows. How many companies are there? No one knows. And only people knows tamo nini tam saiman sini ko borok ana nong borayang kakia disappear. Seng abon kya bos saimia. Anga tabu sengtam mak haite. Oborong kasini future generation is safety si. Hari anak tini gratis parlen pana ridika. But if I don't have that protection measure now or today, even a gratis parlen mama kore, they will still have a legal right. And simultaneously, parallelly, angtam sabon gratis parlen mama ni logi, parlen mama logi no, a safety measure, a money rock. Sengagino law kai ain kai sengana abuna adopt kai mana kana ya ni masau anga tabu abro nai ne ke ni tam thana ni forest joton pai thana ni customary law just practice tabu kai even law abono ungui tongmani u ei passing thanga ka you have no more rights on forest abon bagan je forest area project khane thampuru ang masau Hari, you are talking about the Forest Act 1927, which is not applicable first. Second is, even if that is applicable, whether law came first or the ancestor came first. Law is based on our society and our ancestor. Hasibla, some by living together. Our person law slams Boromunisuba. Kendo Tini, the customary law not deprive Kaye. How can you talk about your law? As a government fight, Avon Bangino, do you have a soiny simi fight Kaye? Do you have a barrow? Sikari Bari Mononi Zaga, huge Zaga, no son. I want a mano. I'm not in Puna Musungo, use our school. I will show you one book. Forest ni ang takas adis semban ni ko ang boy na hanay ang no na bo phunugun. See, oh boy, oh boy yung kha India mane tisa government oh boy no ban khari dekha. Taman bagi ban khai dekha. Oh jangan nukja kha illegally borok joto even jute land sini community land rong no borok forest land hini declare khai gazetted notification declare by kya sang jefru RTI start khai fight khaina suru khayo bor saimani obono ban khairi rekha kentu khorsa DFO angmu sagamo saga DFO abono saime angai jengno xerox khai rona nango nga same amount rang thango abun jagolo ko botam khai rekha sungno o boy no pura dare ri roka sung go boy nukja kha je chini jut jaga no demarcation khaye bora pura land tomo jara kri kya
Tongko. Sorry.
oh angka bor tam khai kya abo ahe khai bor khlai be kya e o ba ke sini jut jaga tam khai kya forest land habi thang pai be kya now I am asking those people who are fighting for our land, have they ever went through all those things and trying to recover? Nung land ni bagi fight kaya ko nung tam kaya nang agya, nini land no nung agya grab kaya nang nai, nini ar land nini yago tono nang nai. Hangga tabu EIA kaya ni forest land total parcel 60% of total forest land of Tripura out of 10,491 kilometers. Tangi pai kaya kaya. Nini zaga boro tong sadi. No one talks about it. Angamon mas illegal migrant thiga ase. That is the issue. Can illegal migrant jagarana bagani to nini jut jagarana forest land slum bono jagari tomle. So first of all, you should know where to stop, where to lock the key. Forget about fighting against the illegal migrant. Karon nini pula omono se khagedi. Taba Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Arka wanje kirdiba, jotagan tong wanje kaba mase. Kentu administration, executive, judiciary bon yago kuri, bon yago sabta, bon boron yago magto. Abon bagan they can control. Even Delhi ki ara Delhi no borok da control khaiba. Kentu abon ni power tong khangka kai nung jota ko khaibon. Taba angno no takai sawon. People talks about illegal migrants. Illegal migrants improve khaja nangya. Dinesh and Borokathang and Surojit Tai Jero Tongnai. Have you ever come across who's who?
Which one?
Who's who of boy not a
No. Frankly saying, I haven't come across this.
And you please ask every citizen of Tripura, every indigenous, who talks about Tripura people, who talks about Dofa, who talks about the land. Ask them, what is this who's who? Saban Kantong said, who is who?
Can we republish this book?
I'm going to Jiros Kakaima Bago. You know, for the first time ever, the assembly has brought the biography of the minister and MLA. Bujika?
So, bro, one point. Sorry to interrupt.
Talk for 1 minute. Let me say. Oh, Zagan Nuga Katamo, Bora Bangladesh Asayu, Bangladesh of Borok, Poriu, Amo Poros or Pai Borok or Pai MLA minister. So these are the legal fight where we can question. Bukan ekta kok. Taborom di sengnugo I'm actually brainstorming. Sini census show 19 or aku Dinesh nang side sengadi. Otherwise you'll forget your question. Dinesh. Hello.
Sorry, ang miro tong may tam sama.
Ini dos sengadi nang tamnya senga namanya.
Ang sama ni je who is who je book ni dia ko tong mani. And the other book nang tajang je punong mani je Tripura government ban clarity money. Oh book no, is there any way that we can publish as a PDF so that joto ni thani sobenye ni tai tapuni niya ko tong Xerox clarity.
Aboka ang nong na help nang nai. I'm not that mane asuk kabama boy rong no unko photo boy unko.
I can help you on that. I have a people for that.
Yes. Then you please help me. Okay.
Hard copy
Yes. Hard copy I can give you. I can give you the Xerox copy, or maybe one by one. No. Tabun ID. See, 1951 to 1961, all digital group 21.6, 78.71. All India digital group to say 21.6. Though, Sina Hawakai 78.71, which is abnormal. Even a single mother give birth 100 children in a day will not able to cover that population. Almost a killer noto. This is not mana hide and seek our do. Our not to nine kai. It has got all interlinked with EIA, with Nini Enko Je tabu present situation no do. Officially Tom Sijak Tomadi. I can show you in 1951, Mr. G.P. Pan, the then Home Minister, Botamosa, being statement of the Parliament Botamosa. It was counted that from 1964 to 1991, the average daily migrant of minority population found to be high as 538%. In simple calculation, it works out 538 into 28 into 365. Mane 54 lakhs 98,360. That is around 55 lakhs of people are actually migrating. Mujika, hanga botam saba bin floro. Mane boss hawa Tripura has become super saturated with influx population. So not a single refugee could further be accommodated in Tripura. Now my question is, if the parliament is taking so much strong stand, why the Indian government did not react? Tang bagi Indian government kuno kok saya azagawa. Ngan tamun adi actually sin grupo kebo English buja ko boro sanata takia sadi nga ko boro sanado. Hangkakai GB per 1951 bini clear statement boro ka. Tamun tak asa nung 1960 UN Debar Commission. UN Debar but the then Home Minister ama commissioner ka Debar Commission. Debar Commission botam saka. Boss hawo preventive measure na ka jata further influx migrant in Tripura abano naina bagi. Aban bag commission salam ka. Commission salam aban bagi bonu ka jaga 49.8 influx displaced migrant ogoro phaitong ka. Aban bagi no nini bosaka jata safety measure need to be taken. Otherwise, the anti-indigenous tribal people of Tripura will vanish in Bosaka. Kentu today the Indian government didn't even take action. Angkamon Paras has 1997, which is the latest on 6 May. Indrajit Gupta, the then Home Minister, bottom Sakanadi, was how 10 million illegal migrants residing in India. Babakai, Samaras Kairaka, Bengal Busuk 5.4, Assam Busuk 4 million, Tripura Busuk 0.8 million, Bihar Busuk 0.5, Maharashtra 0.5, Rajasthan 0.5, Delhi 0.3. Abahke total 12 million je or hapake bosai nangka. Abono yagolo 1993 to 1994 bo abono analyze khaika jeta officially Tripura busuk taisa haina identify khajeka 1.35 lakh of population in Tripura Bangladeshi ako hone khajeka. Hanga tabuk sungnugo total population aboro bahake panchayat ration card boro bahake ration khajak. So how many of us actually do the monitoring and do the data analyzing and trying to understand how and why it is possible? Bahake possible ka jata boro no bahai khai boro khlai tong kiba khlai man abose. Nga tini angma sungo sin boro haine simi sire khogla salayo jeta sung amo khaine ahai khaina kintu practically amona khaina thaka what we require we need documents all je manirok sung jotono saimana nango I kona hadi for example na robono nine di porina di binitamo biography can you all see
काम के तो clear हो गया but you can read out the name.
can you see
Ashok Kumar
kaisa kok
obono আর কে সিং জেফ্রো বিজেপি নি যখন তো ত্রিপাঙ্গে ফাইতাম পুরো বনা কপি পয়েন্ট রাখা কিন্তু টুডে nang je borok no illegal migrant hne 1971 no nang all the circular rahajak je we notice that state government is issuing a citizenship certificate amnotei bosaka anybody found borok no return ko khai return khai rohadi je government bono issue khai tongo bono punishable khai even 2005 same kind of circular phaikya aborono boron khai na tini without any hearing or without consultation of the public, Government of India is taking a stand to bring the CA. Ngasin borok sai tong NRC to ta fight khaine. By CA has been already act has already been passed. Nang NRC to ta tam khaine. It NRC has no value at all. Santamasa you implement NRC and you withdraw CA, then it has a meaning. Otherwise, it has no meaning. Nang identify la khaina can nang identify khaina jagla nang borno khaina hai citizenship story na ka what is the meaning? Yaboro. That tini sungnugu tongo sini entire Tripura hawo tubama policy borok klaito. Awan bagai ang sao. Agi ka Tripura sana silebe betharo. Silebe bethar prokai human right issue khayo borok aki bethar ja tonga human right violation. Aba saimamo logi logi ke bortam khaika Tripura sana guli be bethar liya. Tamo bethar kolam kongsa be betharo. Kolam kongsa be kan 12 loko 13 loko Tripura sana bethar man. Abon bagai no tabo Asia ni largest fire range Samono 33 village abon tu borok khlaina nayo. Second nga tabo bortam khlaina naika basic fire range ni borok khlaina naija pa Kanchanpuro abon mo pura entire data. My question tini oborok ahai je khlaijagu tong tongo kendo kebu borong masapan abon tu jeng phai khainani kiba analyze khai data khaine keri. Nangkai abo ang saya je nang khatam khai tong sung je mamane abona sung try khai tong khai tongo kentu bono talangai ang ekta seminar kok sanan ekta meeting kok sanan keno people don't want to listen for more than 10 minutes because you are only given 5 minutes to share your view. Asal meno hongka borong ke kentu if I have to talk on politics blah 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 this party this party this abo hongka ka ado kona puno somanai. This is the issue sini Tripura hawo. Hangka tabu nini o free trade agreement agis policy phai kai nini 2010 tebo phayana nini control khaima tam tongnai. What is the mechanism? What you and I have taken the measures to actually do that. Secondly, tini haise drugs or haina fight mo. Ti prasa drugs among tabo three tong bayu. Police suna thambu iko tini kana police sujana thamase. Sutigana hane thangai badu mo thangai injuson result tong. Nga CC camera thapaja loge loge nung ko khai jealous roja. Over a situation no. How are we going to control? Sini articulation, sini intellectual, liti tonga nang. Tai abon bagai nang ta masa. Like you and others and we, younger generation, wherever you all are, we need to bring some consciousness and we need to articulate and question our leader that what are you going to do on this? Are buto basa was power of hike. Abon administration service alok tham na abo sibideba. Bini land no bike protection khaina. Nini drugs out you ko khai tomon bike protection khaina. You have to bring the law to take action on that. Then only you can actually protect and safeguard. Tini phatani mane khaina. There is no measures on check, and there is no mechanism. Ngan tam khai khaina. Cash khaina kama kirijak layo. Eh aborokta. Ka abon bangena. Ngan chin bor tam wa social media khaina mo jao. Bhai, when you really work, you should not come to social media and don't focus yourself. Otherwise, you are easy targeted. So no hunmano nor town bagi phaya. Atil dinasama sa bor katana suruj sunama sa jawra tongnai. December debrma sonoma sa asina ar sigat usaron son jotno ma sa. Sung phaidi. Kasa jaga asok lai. Sungo kongno salai sirun. Saima lai na ang process sung saima. Kena tude tumur even this Zoom is not safety. Like as in not ni manana tamon. Kentu sin phone on the phone since from 1998 is on a tape unko umito. Aba hita. Mane land ang Jeffru nokbar to land line approve po. Jeffru mobile phaikatir prabo apurbo haino ab ajoran sinu mobile tape umito. So these are the issue. Nangka ngamon saimana musumo. Je sana musung koino musumo chine lana je chine conscious to nai. Abanang borok katana masaka, sondana masaka.